Welcome to Learning Max Whiteboard YouTube channel. So JEE last minute workout problems. So the problem is the quadratic equation x square minus 6x plus a equal to 0, and we have another quadratic equation, that is x square minus cx plus 6 equal to 0, have one root in common. So these two quadratic equation having one root in common. So the other roots, in generally quadratic equation means it has two roots. So one root is common, the other root of the first and second equations are integer, that is are in the ratio of 4:3. Then the common root is option A 1, option B 4, option C 3, option D 2. Okay, so solution. Okay, so we know that the quadratic equation alpha and beta be the roots of the equation. So let me take alpha be the common roots, alpha be the common root. Okay, so the other root beta, so beta in the ratio of 4 beta and 3 beta. So other root beta we all know that, but in this problem, so the other root of the first and second equations are integer, that is in the ratio of 4 beta for the first equation and 3 beta for the second equation. Okay, and alpha be the common roots for both equations. Okay, so first quadratic equation is x square minus 6x plus a equal to 0. For this quadratic equation, alpha and 4 beta be the roots of the equation. So second quadratic equation, x square minus cx plus 6 equal to 0. Okay, so in this quadratic equation, alpha and 3 beta be the roots of this quadratic equation. Okay, so we all know that sum of the roots, that is alpha plus 4 beta, which is equal to coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square minus coefficient of x, that is minus 6, divided by coefficient of x square 1. So 6 is the sum of the roots, and product of the roots alpha into 4 beta, so that is 4 alpha beta, which is equal to a. Okay, so now coming to this quadratic equation, so alpha plus 3 beta, which is equal to c, and 3 alpha beta, which is equal to 6. Okay, so 4 alpha, so here we have 3 alpha beta, which is equal to 6, 3 alpha beta, which is equal to 6, which implies alpha beta equal to 6 by 3, so that is 2. So alpha beta, which is equal to 2, so substituting alpha beta here, so 4 into 2, a, which is equal to 8. So 4 2s are 8, so we found that a equal to 8. Our first quadratic equation contains a as a constant part. Just now we found that a is 8, so substitute a equal to 8 in the first quadratic equation. So our first quadratic equation changes into x square minus 6x plus 8 equal to 0. Okay, so we have to solve this equation. So we know that multiplication 8 and addition minus 6, so minus 4 minus 2 be the roots, so alpha equal to 4 and so alpha equal to 2, so the one root is common, so either alpha equal to 4 or alpha equal to 2. So we are going to we are going to find either alpha is 4 or alpha is 2. How do we find? So here we have alpha plus beta equal to 6. So alpha plus 4 beta equal to 6. Okay, now substitute alpha equal to 4. Now substitute alpha equal to 4. So 4 plus 4 beta, which is equal to 6. Beta, which is 4. So common is a 4. So we just take a common 4. Remaining is 1 plus beta, which is equal to 6. So 1 plus beta, which is equal to 6 by 4, 3 by 2. So beta equal to 1 by 2. So if alpha equal to 4, my beta is 1 by 2. Now you should substitute alpha equal to 2 in alpha plus 4 beta, which is equal to 6. So alpha is 2 plus 4 beta, which is equal to 6. 4 beta, which is equal to 6 minus 2, 4. So beta equal to 1. If alpha equal to 2, beta equal to 1. So considering these two result, that is alpha equal to 4, beta equal to 1 by 2. Alpha equal to 2, beta equal to 1. So in your question, the other roots of a first and second, the other roots of a first and second, the other root of a first and second equations are integer. So beta must be a one integer number. Beta must be a one integer number. So the common root is not 4, because alpha equal to, if alpha equal to 4, the another root is in the form of rational 1 by 2. So that is not our condition, I mean that is not our result. So alpha equal to 2, beta equal to 1. So that is our result, I mean that is our answer. So alpha equal to 2 is a correct answer. So alpha equal to 2 is the correct answer. So just option D is a correct one. Okay, thank you for watching this video, guys.